Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Begin by linking your tablet to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. Hold down the power key along with the volume down button until the device powers off completely. Press and hold the power button and volume up simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Release the buttons and wait for the recovery mode screen to appear. Use the volume rocker to navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option. Press the power button to select it. Select Factory Data Reset to confirm and initiate the reset process. Allow the reset process to complete. This may take some time. Once the reset is finished, select the Reboot System Now option from the recovery menu. After the reboot, your tablet will be reset to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.